This is to add a new ad hoc order. With the patient in context, we've got the clinical desktop open. And to add a new order, it is important to make sure that it's associated to a problem. Therefore, I'm going to click on the problem tab from the clinical desktop, and I know that I'm going to create orders that are related to or linked to the problem esophageal reflux. So I'm going to click the box to check that, which will highlight it. From here, I'm going to go up to the clinical toolbar, and I'm going to click on the Add Order button. This will open the ACI. From the Add Clinical Item, notice that it pulls up the Orders tab and the lab procedures underneath that as a subsection. So in the search box, I'm going to type in amylase for the first order. So as I start typing it in, hit enter. I find my order, I check it, and when I click the box to check it, it opens up the order details. I'm going to make sure that it is linked to my problem. And notice that the scroll button on the right hand side is halfway down. That has scrolled down to the yellow area that is a required field. I'm going to scroll back to the top for demonstration purposes to show you that there's first a section called Order Details. The to be performed, this will be where the patient is going to be sent for this lab to be done. There will be defaults that will fall into place based on the type of order it is. You can also click on the drop down to change those defaults. The communicated by will be either to send to performing location or to print the requisition. Send to performing location will be if you are going to electronically send the order with a vendor that you are interfaced with. The to be done date, you can check approximately if you'd like by clicking the calendar, and we can say before next appointment and click OK. Under additional details, you can have comments to the performing locations, who it's ordered by, managed by, who it's supervised by. Notice that the field is yellow, so this is a required field, so that needs to be populated. Now the yellow banner goes away. And from this point, we can say that we're done with this. We're going to add another order, so save and return to ACI. So now we're going to add an X-ray. So I'm going to click on the Imaging tab, and we're going to type in X-ray, hit enter, and we're looking for an abdominal X-ray. So I'm going to click the X-ray abdomen, and my defaults to be performed at Johnson City Family Medicine, perform the order today. So all I'm going to do is go in, select my supervised by, and that's all I want to do there. So this is my last order, so I'm going to click Save and Close ACI since we are done with the Add Clinical Item window. And then we'll click Commit. The encounter summary will come up. You can see that we've added under the problem esophageal reflux. We have assessed this problem. We have ordered an X-ray of the abdomen and an order of amylase at Orchard Lab. Click Save and Continue, and that completes adding an order.